Shalom, welcome back to my channel. This is Lucy John's Frontier Kitchen. Today we are making African chapati with Indian dal, one of my favorite vegetarian meal. You start with soaking the dal in water for 30 minutes. Then after soaking, you put in a pot and put some water to boil. You will need all-purpose flour, some warm water, some salt and some oil so that you make our chapati. You will also need 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Slice 1 medium-sized onion and put in a frying pan. Fry until it's golden brown. After that, then add some salt. You can use your palm to measure your salt. As you can see, our kitungu or our onion is brown, very nice. Now it's ready for us to add the sliced tomatoes. So you add sliced tomatoes, you slice according to your desired size, and then you cook until the tomatoes are well cooked. So remember that our dal is already boiling in a pot and it's ready. So now we fry our dal into stew. So after you have cooked the onions and tomatoes, you mix with the boiled dal and you have the dal stew. After preparing the dough, you will leave it until around 30 minutes for it to soften. For those who have done food chemistry, we have some molecules, amylose, that require some shortening, which we use, that's why we used oil. And now you have to leave it for 30 minutes for it to soften. And look at what we have. I've divided it into 11 pieces of medium-sized dough. I've put some oil inside for it to have that fluffy aftermath after cooking. So now my chapati is ready for cooking. My chapati dough is ready for cooking. So after using the rolling pin and having my round shaped chapatis, this is what I have. I have to first cook the chapati before adding the oil. Now it's time for me to add the oil. My pan looks quite hot, but it's because of the oil. So after putting the oil, I put my chapati, and now I'll add oil to the other side, which doesn't have oil already. Some people prefer to cook many chapatis at once. That is what I did in this case, and you can see myself applying the oil on the other side. Like cooking around 5 chapatis at a go it's okay. It's very much okay. Some people will prefer to cook 1 chapati at a time and oil. Others will cook all of them and then oil them later, around 3 or 5 at once. So for me, I did the 5. My chapati is now almost ready. So I'm already salivating. Our chapatis are ready. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's enough for our family. We are 4 and most of us only take 1 chapati at a go. So that's more than enough. And you can see they are looking golden brown. I wish I can cut them. You see how fluffy they are. Thank you. Serve your chapati with Indian dal stew, as you can see. So yummy, tasting like meat. My favorite vegetarian meal. Tamu sana. So sweet. I recommend this to you and your family. Try this for this Christmas and Happy New Year holidays. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share. Click on the notification.